Is your little one celebrating a birthday or a special day at school? Make their lunchbox extra special with these delicious treat ideas. This homemade besan burfi is the perfect sweet surprise. First, melt 1 cup jaggery with 2 cups water and keep the syrup ready. Meanwhile, roast 1 cup besan until it turns aromatic. In a pan, add ghee along with 1 small cup almond powder. Add the roasted besan and mix everything well. Now pour in the jaggery syrup along with 1 tablespoon of ghee and keep stirring until the mixture becomes thick and leaves the sides of the pan. Transfer it to a greased plate, spread it evenly, and sprinkle some chopped almonds on top. Once it sets, cut it into cute shapes and pack this delicious besan burfi in your child's lunchbox. Lunchbox 2. Cute little pumpkin pies. For these cute little pumpkin pies, take 1 cup of pumpkin puree. Add powdered sugar, melted butter, and vanilla essence and mix everything well. Next, add baking soda, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Then add wheat flour and milk to make a smooth batter. Pour the batter into an appe pan and cook on low heat for about 35 to 40 minutes until the mini pumpkin pies are soft and perfectly cooked. Pack these cute little pumpkin pies in the lunchbox, and your little one is sure to enjoy the sweet surprise with their friends. Lunchbox 3. Pumpkin Halwa. A warm and comforting sweet treat that makes any special school day even more memorable. For this delicious pumpkin halwa, cook the pumpkin with water for about 15 minutes until it becomes soft. Meanwhile, chop the dry fruits into small pieces. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons of ghee and roast the dry fruits until golden. In the same pan, roast 1 cup of suji until aromatic. Make a smooth pumpkin puree and add it to the roasted suji along with 1 cup jaggery and 1 cup milk. Cook everything together until the halwa becomes soft and thick. Finally, add cardamom powder for a wonderful flavor. Pack this warm and delicious pumpkin halwa in your child's lunchbox and make their special day even sweeter. Lunchbox 4. Pumpkin Fritters. For these delicious pumpkin fritters, mash the boiled pumpkin until smooth. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar along with 1 cup of rice flour. With just a few simple ingredients, the dough is ready. Take small portions, shape them into little pancakes using your palms, and cook them on a butter-greased pan until evenly cooked on both sides. These pumpkin fritters are such a fun and interesting treat for kids, making them perfect for birthdays and special school celebrations. Garnish them with chocolate spread and tutti frutti to make them extra festive. These soft and delicious pumpkin fritters are sure to bring a big smile to your child's face. Pack them in the lunchbox and make their special day even more memorable. Your little one will be so excited to open their lunchbox and find these cute sweet treats inside. Last but not the least, this pineapple halwa is a fruity and festive treat that makes every special occasion even sweeter. First, I roasted cashews and raisins in ghee until they turned aromatic and golden. In the same ghee, roasted 1 cup suji slowly till it became perfectly fragrant. Then, in a little more ghee, lightly fried fresh pineapple chunks to enhance that tropical flavor. Added 3 cups of water with a pinch of salt and brought it to a rolling boil. Into that, he added the roasted suji while stirring continuously. As it started to thicken, I mixed in a half cup sugar, the roasted dry fruits, cardamom powder, a touch of yellow food color, and 1 tablespoon of ghee for that rich shine. Once beautifully cooked, transferred it to a large plate and spread it evenly. Topped with extra pineapple chunks, let it set, cut into diamond shapes, and lunchbox ready.